Being able to travel to New York City opens up a world of opportunity for all of our students. It's not just about going to a United Nations conference and doing your research and writing a speech. It's far more than that. It's filled with all these unique and once-in-a-lifetime opportunities. It's actively engaging with the international community, but also ensuring that there's enough time for the students to embrace that opportunity of being in New York for themselves.
We just left a meeting with the Australian Trade and Investment Commissioner to New York, Rachel Howard.
So we just met with Duncan, the Deputy Ambassador for the Republic of Uganda.
It was a fantastic session. We got so much insight, personal experiences of someone who's doing a job that we aspire to do as well.
We heard from him about the infectious disease response in Uganda at the moment and dealing with that at the United Nations.
We have just come from a press briefing that we watched with Stefan Dujurik, who is the spokesperson for the UN Secretary General.
We've just finished up a conversation with the policy advisor at the Danish embassy, which was really, really exciting, especially because I'll be the Danish delegate at WIMUN. A great conversation, some really interesting insight that we mightn't have got otherwise, and stuff that you definitely can't find on the internet.
Following on from that, we've just met with Mariam, who works at Gibson and Dunn in New York in this building, and we had a very interesting, engaging conversation with a Bond alumni about her transition from Bond into the public international law sector. And yeah, overall, it was a really great experience with Mariam.
Okay guys, so we're here with Sienna and Kenny this morning. We got a jam-packed day.
We've just finished up at Ground Zero, which is the World Trade Center Memorial Center and Museum.
Well, I think studying international relations and then seeing all of that is extremely confronting.
We learn a lot of theory, but you don't experience something like that every day.
You see terrorist plans like that, and it's just more motivation, I think, to continue studying international relations.
No.
Mark, everyone knows how to ice skate but me.
So the typical schedule for a Bond student at WIMUN is it's an early morning start from 9 o'clock in the morning and goes all the way through to 9 o'clock at night. And over that 12-hour period, you'll be representing your country's interests in a matter of international concern. The beauty of a multi-UN conference is you never know what the end of it is going to actually look like. Every student in preparation to be a part of the conferences works on researching their country's position. Easily some of the greatest debates that I've ever seen outside of the United Nations itself have taken place during a multi-United Nations conference.
So we are currently at the closing ceremony for WIMUN 2025. Overall, our team has done so well, and I could not be more proud of the Bond delegation. We have really put in the effort over the past 4 days, so hopefully it's a good turnout.
The best small university delegation award goes to Bond University. This is not the first time they won this award, so congratulations to all of you.